night, I hear your voice in the wind, calling my name like a ghost from within. I close my eyes, but you're still in my mind. A shadow of love that I left behind. Time moves on, but the pain won't fade.